What is good, my YouTube people? It is your girl 𝓕𝓪𝓬, and I am back at it again in the 242 this time. I'm back in the Bahamas, and a client of mine was asking me to beat her face for her birthday, and I did promise her that I would have done it as soon as I touched down, and she gave me the date. So all of the products that I will be using in this video will be in the description box below, and if you are interested in the final look, please continue watching. So right now we already did her brows, and I'm sculpting her brows with LA Girl Pro Conceal in Chestnut, and I mixed that with the Maybelline Age Rewind in the shade Caramel, and I'm just blending out that concealer that I'm using in her eye, and I'm buffing it to make sure that it's a flat, smooth base. Also using the P.Louise base in the shade 0.5 on the lid and a little in the crease to give me a nice solid base to lay these colors that I'm going to be putting down, and to just have a nice smooth flat base. Now going in with my MORPHE palette, the neutral palette, I'm just going in with a nice neutral brown in her crease, and I'm just building that color. That's my transition shade, and I'm blending it into her crease all over, and I'm giving her a glitter cut crease, so I'm just making sure that the colors are intensified, so when I do cut that crease, you'll be able to see the colors and see the layers that I laid. So going in with a darker brown. I try not to use black so much unless it's like a real glam look, so I try to use dark brown as much as possible, like a chocolate brown in her. So we just had to stop the video for a second because she had to get her hair touched up and freshened up for the birthday photo shoot, and I'm just going in with the orange in the MORPHE palette. I know some people say MORPHE, some people say MORPHE. I don't know how to pronounce it, I just know how to use it, okay? So I'm just freshening up her brows a little bit, and then adding the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow gel to keep those eyebrow hairs tamed. You know what I'm saying? That's like liquid crack in a vial. So now going back in with the P.Louise base in 0.5, and I'm cutting out a crease. I'm patting the shape first how I want it, and then I'm going to bring the product down, not too much because it will crease and stuff like that. So just make sure that I get that shape, you know what I mean? Shout out to Grace Times 242 for doing her hair. You know, I love to promote and I love to help other black women, and on any platform that I have, so any businesswoman, any black woman, you know, I will definitely promote other women because that's what I do, or other business owners, not just women per se. So still trying to form her cut crease and making sure that it's symmetrical as possible. You know, sometimes you can't always get the perfect shape for each one. I'm just patting some of that excess off, and then just freshening up some of the colors to make sure that they're still there and intensify. And then I'm going to go in with the shimmer in the cut crease, and that's just going to be the base to lay down for the glitter. I'm going to add the chunky glitter. I'm going to add right on top of it. Now I'm adding the dual lash glue to the top portion of the cut crease, and I'm going to let that get tacky. Then I'm going to add the chunky glitter on top of that. I've used a lot of glues for lashes, for glitters and stuff like that, but it don't stick like the dual lash glue, baby, because when that get tacky and when that's ready to stick, that is be sticking. Like when that's on, it's on. Like ain't no coming back from that. Trust me, there is no coming back from that. Now that I've already put the glitter on and did her liner, and I've already primed her face, I'm just going to sharpen up that liner with the same concealer mix that I did to do her brows. And I'm putting on the foundation. That's the Maybelline Superstay in the shade 356. That's warm coconut, and I mixed it just with a little bit of the LA Girl Pro Conceal. And I'm just sculpting out her face. I'm putting it all over, and then I'm putting the setting powder on it so it'll be able to blend more seamlessly and perfect. Boom, this is the final product. Unfortunately, my camera got cut out and it was corrupted with some of the files, so I'm so upset about that. But she got some selfies going on. She on her way to her photo shoot. She's looking cool and cute. So thank you guys so much for watching and sticking with me throughout this entire video. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.